Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your TCL TV, and this method works on both Roku and Google TV models.
For TCL Roku TV, Step 1. Press the Home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Scroll down and select Settings. Step 3. Go to System Advanced System Settings. Step 4. Select Factory Reset. Step 5. Choose Factory Reset Everything. Step 6. Enter the code displayed on the screen to confirm. Step 7. Wait for the TV to reset and restart. For TCL Google TV, Android TV. Step 1. Press the Settings button on your remote or select Settings from the home screen. Step 2. Scroll down to System About. Step 3. Select Factory Reset. Step 4. Choose Erase Everything to confirm. Step 5. Wait for the TV to reset and restart.